Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PaychekPlus Card, Payroll Card Setup Guide step by step clearly. First, take your PaychekPlus Card and confirm the card is in your name and not expired. Check the card package for any activation sticker or instructions that include a website or phone number. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a phone available in case verification is needed. Prepare a valid ID and your social security number or tax ID if your employer requires it for verification. Turn the card over and write down the customer service phone number and the website URL printed there. If your card has a scratch-off or temporary PIN mailer, keep it close, but do not share it with anyone. Go to the official PaychekPlus cardholder website shown on the back of your card. Click Sign Up or Register to create your online cardholder account. Enter your card number, the security code, and any personal details requested on the registration page. Create a strong username and password that you do not use on other websites. Choose security questions and answers that you can remember, but others cannot guess. Verify your identity by completing any SMS, email, or knowledge-based verification prompts. Log into your new account and look for a button or menu item labeled Activate Card. Follow the on-screen activation steps and confirm when the system says your card is active. If online activation is not available, call the activation or customer service number on the back of the card. Use the automated prompts to enter your card number and follow instructions to activate. When asked, set your 4-digit PIN and avoid using easy numbers like 0000 or your birth year. Confirm the PIN a second time and wait for the system to confirm the PIN was successfully set. Sign the back of the card immediately using a permanent PIN. In your online account, check the card balance page to make sure the account loads correctly. Add contact details like your mobile number and email so you can receive alerts and security notices. Turn on transaction alerts for purchases, withdrawals, and low balance warnings. If your employer offers direct deposit to the card, confirm with Payroll that your card is linked to your employee profile. Wait for your first payroll deposit and then refresh your balance or check recent transactions. Do a small test purchase at a local store to confirm the card works and the PIN is correct for debit. If you plan to withdraw cash, find an in-network ATM listed in your account to reduce fees. Keep your card, PIN, and login details private and never share verification codes with anyone. If activation fails or you see an error, call customer service and ask for help with activation and identity verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.